Is this you?
Hello, this is Andrew. How can I help you today? Yes, I am so sorry. Yes, our SLA is an hour. I know it's been 5. I know I'm trying to get you as soon as I can. It's just me here, but I'll give you the best service I can. Just give me 1 second.
You're the sales team, the engineer, the project manager, the help desk, and somehow you're still supposed to be growing the business.
Absolutely. We'll have that whole thing deployed by Friday. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
What if you had a partner who took all the risk and handled the technical delivery so you could focus on what actually makes you money?
The style within this project, it's 3 sites, full stack. How are we handling that?
Same way we handle all of them. Western NRG scopes it, configures it, deploys it, and supports it. So we're all good.
Then what are we doing for the rest of the week?
Selling the next one.
All right.
Western NRG's Ultimate Series. We do the heavy lifting, you grow the business. Learn more at westernnrg.com/ultimate.
So glad
I'm
I
calling
called
Western NRG.